Alrighty, welcome back. Today we have this and we have this. I'm sure if you've done enough wrenching, you already have a good idea of what's going on here, and if you read the title and looked at the thumbnail. But anyways, today we have this. It's a Honda GCV 160 Troy-Bilt lawnmower. Piece of junk, but good motor on it. But I was doing the carb on it, and I don't know if I did this or if the previous owner did it, but you can get this pretty tight and then it just loosens off again. Pretty tight, and then nothing. So I checked out the price of real Healy coil kits, and they're like 50 bucks for basically this. I got this on Amazon for $15, so I figured that this isn't too fancy and we can try it out with this. Yeah, it comes with everything you need other than the drill. I'm gonna move that. I hate that. Look at bad. Sorry. Anyways, yeah. So basically, what you do is you pull all this crap off, or get to wherever your strip bolt is. And then you take your supplied drill bit and you drill out your threads, and then you tap out your new threads with your tap. You get one of these little thread inserts and you just put it right there, and then you thread that into your new threads. And then the last step is, we got that little thing there, and you just take this little punch, stick it down in there, and you just give it a whack and it'll break that little tab off. The tab's just for installation. Not sure what any of this is, but who cares. But yeah, so we're gonna take all this off. So it looks like we have threads. Like, I checked this out the other day, and then I even took my screw. Here, we'll just kick this out of the way. Yeah, sure. I even screwed this in here and it was working perfectly fine, so I don't know. It's definitely not now. I mean, it's threading in there, but not great. So we're just gonna go ahead and send it. The first step is obviously drill out the hole there with the threads. Okay, so this is gonna be hard to film, but you're just drilling the hole, but you really want to be careful. You don't want to be going in on an angle. You just want to keep her nice and straight, as good as you can, and don't go too far. Don't go right into the engine. So I'm actually gonna do something here. We're gonna get an idea of how deep this goes. I guess it's just it uses all the threads. So we only want the drill bit to go just to the end of the, sorry about that. We just want the drill bit to go to the end of the threads. So take my drill bit, take my screw, put them side by side, and I guess we're gonna keep that in there. And we'll go. Now, you gotta get your drill in here, and you gotta keep it straight and, you know, centered. So I'm gonna do this off camera so that I don't have to, you know, but it's pretty simple. You might want to block the intake with something. I'll probably do that quick, but yeah. Other than that, just drill it as straight as possible and use your little depth gauge thing there, and you should be fine. But we'll be back. Okay, I think we got it drilled. Don't know how great I did, but it seems to be decent. Sorry, try to put the, yeah, you can see we stopped. Try to get that breather tube out of your way, or it's a fuel line, sorry. There. So yeah, it looks like we stopped right about where we should have. It just threads right on in. Alright, hopefully we have audio for this part, but we got this all bolted back together, and that's tight. So that's good. So, cool. But anyways, that's it. I know the audio cut out there for a bit. I apologize about that, but something's always got to go wrong. But yeah, cool stuff. I definitely recommend it. I don't know, I'll try to link it, but I don't know how to do that, so no promises there. But just look up thread repair kit on Amazon and it should come up. But anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you out or something, but that's it for today. So the audio cut out on us from here till like basically the end, which is great, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just cutting the threads with the tap. Just try to keep it straight. It looks decent. Alright, you're good. Try to clear out some of the chips out of there. But I don't have an air compressor, so it wasn't very successful with that. But then you just thread your thing in here. Sorry. Not feeling too good. But anyways, yeah, you just thread that in there. It's going to fight you a little bit because it's kind of springy, but you just try not to use too much force with it, or it'll probably just like bend or something. But we got it in there, and then you just tap off that little thing there. There you go.